children, unite your people. We must survive to tell our children, unite your people. I say we work so hard every day, but there is no pay. Still we keep on going, yeah, because we're going to unite your people. We are going to unite your people. We are going to unite your people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We must survive to tell our children, unite your people. We must survive to tell our children, unite your people. I said we need another Moses to come and unite your people. We need another Moses to come and unite your people. Unity, Rasta man, yeah. Unite your people. We don't have no money, yeah. Do what we got to do, yeah. Yeah. Unity.
And I don't fight in a skipper. And I unite and live upright. Cause now the kingdom is a man and only righteous man standing in Babylon. Cause when I was a boy, my mama used to tell me about a man called Black Heart Man, I would say. But now I became a man, I know that a black heart man is I man. Cause now I understand, I would tell you, yeah. Come here, say roots, where the old man walk. Come here, say roots, where the young man walk. Cannot chant it in a Babylon, one by one. Cannot chant it in a Babylon, one by one. Cannot trade and understand. And the naughty who say them wrong. Naughty trade and understand. Cannot who say them wrong. So they hide the truth from the youth and cast a lot upon the youth as brutes. But nowadays Babylon have to salute, cause Natty Jade playing kinda cute. Can them no know say them are the brute, I would say, yeah. Cannot chant it in a Babylon, one by one. Cannot Jade understand. Natty chant it in a Babylon. Cause you're born as a child, you gotta be as a child.